This is a new thing altogether. Transitions plus adjustment layer. Yes, the adjustment layer has multiple purposes. And in this video, I will show you 3 exceptional ways to use it. Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Assuming you are editing these 2 clips here, and now you want to add transition right here. You go transitions, and for this example I will drop this warp 7. Let's see it. Now you can see that the transition is fine, but the text in the image is not affected. It's because they are above the transition. Before I knew this new trick, I had to export this part first, which was time consuming. That is when the adjustment layer matters. From the Media tab, drag the adjustment layer above everything. Make sure it's aligned with your transition below to keep the duration the same. Now transfer this transition from 2 clips onto the adjustment layer above. Now let's see it. Here you go. The adjustment layer has saved your time. Still 2 more tricks to end this video, friends. If you are new, consider subscribing so that I will keep coming with more tricks like these. The second trick is as follows. We want to adjust the unadjustable. Assuming you want to add color correcting presets in Filmora, double-click your video and go color. And here you will see all the presets. Let's consider the Star Wars preset for this example. Now here you realize the preset is just too much, you need to reduce it a bit. But when you scroll down here, there is no option to increase or reduce the preset. Firstly, remove the applied preset and go to your Media tab. Again, bring the adjustment layer above your video. Double-click and go color. Again, choose the Star Wars preset. Go back to layer. On a single scroll, you see opacity. Then reduce it. And you are done. So it's not only the color presets, but anything applicable to an adjustment layer can be adjusted in this simple way. Here you have just finished customizing the title of your video, but it's not very visible. And now your next effort is to try square blur behind. Increase the strength. Now here is the challenge. The effect is blurring the whole video. Without hesitation, drag down the adjustment layer and delete this effect. Now double-click your adjustment layer and go Effects. Here you can increase the blur strength according to your project. And then unlock the scale from here. From the preview window, you can customize the adjustment layer according to your text like this. If you have liked the video, give a thumbs up, and check one of those 2 videos on the screen for more tricks in editing.